Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Video. I make money online in multiple different ways, guys, passive income and all that, yeah. But today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money online and what my goals for 2022 are. Because over the years, I've been testing and trying lots of different ways and spreading myself thin. And some work, some don't. Some are absolute rip-offs, some you know what I mean, the cons, and they make out you can make lots of money doing this way and that way, but they don't all work. What's working for me is YouTube, Etsy, and Amazon KDP, yeah, as well as affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to show you, right, this is my channel. If you're new here, I upload videos of how to make money with Etsy, show you my earnings, different like video creating softwares, and as well as like the KDP and things like that, guys. Yeah. My biggest income is YouTube, and it's from this channel here called Movies Games Beyond. It started off as a side project. Well, it started off as a hobby for me and my sons. Yeah, I upload videos quite often, pretty much nearly every day, or most 3 or 4 times a week at least. And yeah, this is my best income. Over on my Make Money On with Video channel, I upload, if I talk about a product, yeah, if I talk about like a video creation tool or a product I'm using to help create KDP books or Etsy printables, I talk about them and I put them into the descriptions of the actual video. So that's classed as, excuse me, that's classed as affiliate marketing, and that makes me income as well. But then my Etsy side, I make printables, yeah, like games and Christmas games and like things like that, and I upload them to Etsy, and that is like a passive income because once I've uploaded it, I uploaded them like in August, July, no, sorry, August, September, and October last year, and leading up to Christmas, I was making money, and it's the best month I've had on Etsy. It was November, December time. I made biggest income, and it were all thanks to like me doing the work first and then getting a passive income afterwards. So my goal for Etsy this year is to continue to upload printables, continue to upload like different like seasons, like yeah, Valentine's Day, Easter, 4th of July. You get the gist, guys. So I'm going to keep doing that because Etsy is making me a good income, and it turns out to be a passive income. Yeah, so I'll do the work first, upload it, then I can sit back and relax then and concentrate on other things. Whereas my YouTube channel, I've got to basically always be uploading, always like uploading new stuff. So then, like I get paid off ad revenue. Yeah, I could the movies I talk about, I could add them from Amazon and stuff like that. So then people, if they click on them, I can get affiliate marketing that way. But it takes a lot of time to find and add every single movie. So I don't always do that. My main affiliate marketing is, like I said, is on here. My Make Money with Video. This channel has got subscribers. It's not monetized yet because I've not got the watch time. But hopefully, my goal for this year is to get this channel monetized so I can start getting ad revenue with this. So not only am I earning ad revenue with this channel, hopefully, I'll be earning affiliate marketing as well, guys. So that'll be boosting it up. Yeah. Then over on Amazon KDP, my plan is to keep uploading books. I concentrated a lot on Christmas books, like Christmas activities, Christmas colouring books, things like that. But my plan this year is to upload more evergreen books so then people can buy them throughout the year and I don't have to worry about each season. Yeah. So I'm going to concentrate on Amazon KDP, Etsy, and the YouTube side of it. And when I say the YouTube side, I'm including affiliate marketing. Yeah. I've got other things like websites, what I'm getting ad revenue from, and I could add affiliate marketing, but I'm not going to spread myself thin. My main 3 things are Etsy, Amazon KDP, and YouTube. Now, if you like this video, guys, and you want to learn more or find out more from how I'm going to go about these things, please let me know in the description, in the comments below, guys. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And hopefully you did enjoy this video. And I'm just being as plain and crystal clear as I can, guys. Not trying to hold anything back. So if you want to know any more, let me know and I'll answer truthfully. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. As I'm recording this video, I've already created some other videos what you might actually see before, like they might be in this before you see this one, basically. So feel free to check them out. I talk about my different businesses. Yeah, I've got like my movies, games beyond business. I've got my Christmas everyday business, and I've also got Robert's media business. So feel free to ask any questions. And until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.